How to easily apply for employment insurance benefits online. So if you want to easily apply for employment insurance benefits online, then what you need to do is first, you need to just go with your browser and search for employment insurance benefits. So the first thing that you want to do is get together all of your information. You'll need to complete your application. Just select a section and then go with next. And again, go with next, which will be on the bottom. Scroll down again. Make sure that you've read all of these. Scroll down, go with next. And here you will have your application process. The first step is to gather the required information. The second step is to complete the online application. The third step is to provide the required documents. And the fourth step is a benefit statement and access code that will arrive by mail. And the last step is to check the status of your application. So go with the first step. You'll have this kind of interface. Now go with apply, which is right here. Scroll down and go with start application and proceed with the following steps. Go with continue. Make sure that you have all of the documents or the required information. And in this way, you'll be able to easily apply for employment insurance benefits. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.